What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Eric. In today's video we are going to be revealing my build plans for my BMW E60. That's going to include full bumper kit, side skirts, new wrap, new wheels, new exhaust. We got tons and tons of parts coming. We already got some installed. I'm going to be showing that to you guys today, along with revealing the new wheels and a little bit of a teaser of the new wrap color. I did film some stuff earlier this week of me receiving the packages with my bumpers, as well as test fitting my front bumper. I'm gonna cut to that footage now. Alright guys, now that we're back, I do want to give a huge shout out to UMNTIZA, who I will link down below. They've been super helpful with everything for this kit. I know I've sent them a million emails, they're probably super annoyed with me, but I did receive everything that I ordered and it is great quality. The fitment is absolutely unbelievable for an aftermarket body kit. It fits like OEM. I'll show you guys the exact body lines everywhere. The fitment, as you guys can see, is perfect. It's straight up OEM as possible. It looks great. We're gonna be putting on the side skirts next. That's the only thing that still has to go on from the kit. And then I will be doing a wheel reveal that is coming up very shortly. All right, guys, so these are my brand new wheels right here. These are the new ESR SR04s that I just received from them. These are 19 by 9.5 with a 22 positive offset. And they are wrapped in Toyo Tires Proxies. These are 235 40s, and they fit amazing. I actually was on a 235 35 before, and I stepped up to the 40, and I'm super happy with the fitment. It's a little bit meaty, but it's exactly what I wanted. It gives me really good clearance on my front fenders, and still gives me lots of meat with a little bit of stretch for some clearance. Super stoked on these wheels. Shout out to ESR for getting them out to me so fast. These actually ended up shipping in about 4 days after I ordered them. They were at my door. Big shouts out to ESR. If you guys want a set of these wheels, make sure to check out the link below and check out their Instagram for more of their content. Alright guys, so we did finally get the side skirts, rear bumper, and front bumper installed. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's vlog. If you liked it, make sure you give a thumbs up on this video and subscribe for more content. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Yeah.